True manufacturing has taken a leap forward in its logistical operation. The T18 Distribution Center is online and is fully integrated into day-to-day operations. For flexibility in delivery and meeting the needs of our customers, this facility is in a class by itself. T18 has more than 500,000 square feet under roof. Higher ceiling heights provide ability to stack units higher than what is currently possible in other true distribution centers. Wider column spacing provides deeper storage capacity in back-to-back configuration. Additional dock doors improve material flow through receiving, storage, and shipment. The facility has 12,732 square feet of office and break room space for associates and customers. With a modern dining area and an on-site micro-market. This new concept is based around walk-up, self-service kiosks. Customers pay for items with a thumb scan or credit card. The growth of this type of market will lead to increased demand for true coolers. The T18 facility provides maximum flexibility for storage and handling of increased SKUs, or stock keeping units, and varying product mix. The massive capacity and efficiency frees up capacity at other distribution centers to create contingency storage space on campus. The space can be reconfigured to support additional company production projects. The replacement parts operation and parts superstore are now consolidated. The repurpose of existing facilities reduces the need for new construction. T18 is strategically located at the junction of two major St. Louis highways, allowing improved pickup times. On the TL side, the convergence and proximity of 270, 70, and 370 make the facility an attractive pickup side for OTR drivers. This improves our ability to secure trucks via our brokers. Innovative, forward-thinking logistics are on display every day at this state-of-the-art facility. From true manufacturing